Hello Internet. Today I'm publishing a tutorial on how to make line charts in Google Charts really easily and powerful. So rather than taking a ton of screenshots, I just figured it was easier to post this video and put it on the blog. I will link to the blog post slash tutorial in the description if you found this through YouTube rather than on my blog. But yeah, go there to figure out how to do this. This is just a demonstration of what this chart can do. So I actually went to the effort of making this when I needed a tool to compare various mortgages because right now I'm remortgaging my flat. And I found this extremely useful. So the key thing is you can put multiple lines on the chart. As you can see here, I got a blue line, a yellow line, and a red line. This demo is to simulate if you have an annualized hours workplace. The blue line is how many hours you worked that week. The x-axis is the work week number. The yellow line is the required hours, and the red line is how many hours you've actually achieved. So you can see if you're ahead or below or whatever. But as you can see, as you scroll along, you can see on the tooltip, I can't move the mouse to highlight the tooltip, but you can see on the tooltip the data, which I find extremely, a lot more useful than trying to look at the X and Y axis. And another key point is you can select multiple lines for comparisons. So if you're doing a mortgage, you could see like the third year line or the fifth year line or whatever. And you can do that. Another cool thing that I managed to set up is click to drag to zoom or whatever. So if you want to just zoom in on a certain area, you can do that. And you can right click to zoom out. Obviously, if you want to zoom in on the y-axis as well, there's all those configuration options. As I said, this video itself is not the tutorial. Go to the blog post and check it out. But hopefully that was useful, and I'll see you next time.